Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on iPhone. If you're getting too many email notifications on your iPhone, I'll show you how to turn them off completely or customize them the way you want. So first, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll through the list and tap on Gmail. Now this controls notifications for the default iPhone email app. Now in here what you can do is to toggle off allow notifications at the top. This will completely stop all email alerts. Now if you want to customize instead and you don't want to turn everything off, you can enable it again. And down here, customize everything. So disable lock screen alerts, turn off sounds, remove badges. This gives you more control without missing emails. Now, a pro tip, you can use schedule summary and notifications to receive emails in batches instead instantly. And that's how you can turn off email notifications on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.